In order to get started using the EV charger, you'll first need to download the City Varte app. On an iPhone, that can be done by going to the App Store and searching for City Varte. There you can see the app shown in green, and you'll need to download that. I've already downloaded it, so I simply need to open it. Once you've opened the app, you will need to register an account. That account is quite simple. You just need to enter your name, address, username and password, and that'll give you an account. The next thing you'll need to do is you'll need to add some money to your account. And so you'll see that in your account you go to account, add funds, and you can enter the your credit card details and add some funds. The account needs to have more than $10 in it in order to be able to start a charge. But if your charge goes beyond $10, you can go into credit balance. So you just need to add an amount there to make it active. At that stage, your account is set up and you're active, and you're able to go to the chargers. You can see the two chargers here at the facility. You'll notice that they are labelled USFL851, and the other one is labelled USFL850. You'll find the same label on the chargers themselves. So here we are at the charging station. The simplest way to do this is with an RFID card. You'll be able to get one of these from the club, and they'll need to be linked to your account, so you have to set up your account first. So once you have these, then the first thing you'll need to do is to plug the car in. If you have a Tesla, you'll be given when you buy the Tesla, you'll be given an adapter like this. The adapter simply goes into the car as such, and then the plug just connects. Teslas are our most popular car on site, so most people are doing this. But if you don't have a Tesla, you're in luck. This plug goes directly into your car. So you only need the adapter for a Tesla. Once you've plugged it in, simply just take your RFID card. As I mentioned, you need to collect this from the clubhouse, and it needs to be linked to your account and set up. And then simply charge. Where it says tap, you'll see that it gets a tick. It goes from green to blue, and you'll see that it starts charging. Very simple. And then your car is away. Now when you come to the end of your charge, simply just walk up again. In order to tell the charger that you've finished, you'll need to scan your RFID card. You can see it goes from blue to green. You can see it gives you a nice summary of everything that you've got there. And then simply just need to remove the charger and place it back. Job done. So alternatively, if you wish, you can use the app to do everything from the app. So you just need to pull your car up as normal, tap on the charger, note the charger, and then need to start the charging process. Now that'll start the charging process, and you'll just need to connect to your car, and you're away. No need to use the RFID card. However, the RFID card is the simplest option. Once you're finished, so it'll show it as processing. You can see the dots come up here. So now we're charging. Simply say stop at the end of it, and it does the same thing that's done before. So much simpler to do with the RFID card, but if you want, you can do it through the app as well. And then like normal, at the end of a charging session, we simply just reconnect it. You're all finished. That easy.